Entrepreneur's journey is always, a tough one. But there is a volcano brimming inside. So, ये कीड़ा है, okay? It's a disease. Entrepreneurship is where winning becomes a habit. You can't cure entrepreneurship or entrepreneur virus.
अच्छा, अभी अगर इफ 60 सेकंड में आपको अगर कोई किचन को फिक्स करना हो तो क्या फिक्स करोगे किचन के अंदर?
Probably request all audience that are looking into this conversation today to throw away the refrigerator, and second, throw away the refined oils and start using poultry oil. Or oil was the most adulterated product or food product in the entire industry. There were hardly few in India when we started thinking of revolutionizing or bringing in the revolution of getting our tradition back. 30 साल में कैंसर का रेट बढ़ रहा है, ओबेसिटी का रेट बढ़ रहा है, डायबिटीज का रेट बढ़ रहा है.
करेक्ट.
So these things came in along with refined oils. Is a question that the consumers need to ask.
Correct.
It's a question that governments need to ask. It's a question that doctors need to ask.
मनोहर सर, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका द फाउंडर्स ड्रीम के अंदर.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me here. It's a great pleasure to meet you.
हाउ आर यू सर?
Look very well. Thank you.
हाउ थिंग्स इन लाइफ?
Yeah, going on as usual. Entrepreneur's journey is always, a tough one.
वाओ.
We put up a brave face because everything is okay, because that's what we want to tell the world. Everything is okay, but there is a volcano brimming inside. So always, yeah. But yeah, by God's grace, by people's support, by our customers, I mean, yeah, they're doing fine.
वन थिंग इज देयर कि लोग बोलते हैं कि पॉलिटिशियन बनना सबसे टफ है. मैं बोलता हूँ एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना सबसे टफ है, बिकॉज इट्स ए लोनली जर्नी. पॉलिटिशियंस के पास तो क्या 50 लोग चलते हैं, बट फॉर विद एंटरप्रेन्योर नोबडी वॉक्स विद हिम.
कल किसी से बात कर रहा था मैं, तो आई वाज टेलिंग देम, ये एंटरप्रेन्योर जो होता है, ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इटसेल्फ इज ये कीड़ा है. Okay, it's a disease,
करेक्ट.
and not everyone gets this disease.
या.
Everybody will have this, but for some it is more.
करेक्ट.
Like, for example, we don't have the resistance not to become an entrepreneur.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट सर, बहुत बढ़िया बोले.
So हर कोई सोचता है मैं एंटरप्रेन्योर बनूं, तो बहुत कम लोग एंटरप्रेन्योर बनते हैं. उनमें एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ना बनने का रेजिस्टेंस नहीं होता. So we don't have the resistance.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
So
एब्सोल्युटली
we are
राइट.
tempted to do something. And this entrepreneurship is also, I keep telling people, ये पैसा बनने का शौक नहीं है. Because entrepreneurship is where winning becomes a habit, right? So we are always constantly looking at how to win.
Correct.
Not how to make money.
करेक्ट.
So लोग सोचते हैं, अरे मनोहर के पास इतना पैसा है, फिर क्यों काम कर रहा है?
हाँ.
So it is काम बनने का, पैसा बनने का शौक नहीं है. That is gone.
करेक्ट.
So after some time, you realize that, okay, you are in a journey where winning has become a habit.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट सर.
So for us, there is nothing called as losing, because with every loss or every lose, we are only learning. For us, losing all is also winning. So definitely, it's not a place for everyone, but everyone thinks of it, and only few can get there, and very few can understand what it means to be an entrepreneur forever.
करेक्ट.
Yeah.
सो टुडे आई गॉट न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. वो होता है ना कि लाइक एक कैंसर बीमारी हो गया, उसको जीतना है, तो वैसे ही एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का एक कीड़ा, आपने बोला कि बीमारी लग गया.
इसका वैक्सीन नहीं हो. So there is no, इसका इलाज नहीं है. You can't cure entrepreneurship or entrepreneur virus.
करेक्ट.
Once it has gone in, once an entrepreneur, you're an entrepreneur. You can't. So you would have thought about a million times to hang up your boots, go back to work 9 to 6, 30 तारीख को take the salary. You can do it for a month or two, but again वो बीमारी ये वापस आ
लग जाता है.
It is very difficult.
वाओ.
Yes.
So Manoj sir, let's talk about your company. I think your company name is very beautiful, Saptam.
Yeah.
Why Saptam? What Saptam do?
Saptam So there is a temple called Saptamatrika. So 7 goddesses. So 7 goddesses is actually a female version of 7 male gods.
7 male gods.
Yeah.
Okay, I
It's a
I
female
didn't
version
heard about it.
Saptamatrika. So that's our village deity. So I named the company Saptam when I was in Australia when the thought came for me to start this company. I said, okay, I'll name after my village goddesses or village deity. So Saptam is also Saptam Maharishis. So there are 7 Maharishis.
Hmm.
7 Maharishis और हफ्ता में 7 days है और you have 7 colors. So white is made of 7 colors and white is associated with purity. So Saptam tagline is also purity first.
Correct.
So we are a clean food company. So I said, okay, no better word than Saptam, which can relate to so many things. And yeah, so that's how the name was born. And also its significance around the 7 hills or the Lord Venkateshwara. So Tirupati Balaji jo hai, so he is on the 7 hills. So yeah, so that's how it is. Yeah, that's how the name Saptam was born.
So मनोहर सर आपने मतलब दिल जीत लिया एक बात के लिए. पूछो क्यों अभिषेक?
क्यों?
आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया में गए, आप एक नाम रख सकते थे, एस फ्लावर, पी फ्लावर, कोई इंग्लिश नेम रख सकते थे, बट यू हैव चूजन योर रूट्स नेम.
See, we also have this inferiority complex. Indians, we have always been, for hundreds of years, we have been ruled by foreign invaders.
Correct.
We always feel inferior about what is ours. Be it our tradition, be it our names, be it our dressing. Why? Why should we feel inferior? Look at the GDP, or look at the we are trying to be the third largest economy or a second largest economy, but we were one of the large economies hundreds of years ago. We had 27-28% of world's GDP.
Correct. Sir.
Yeah, India was the richest country. So we should be proud of our roots, proud of our tradition, proud of our culture. So many Indian companies have made it famous, the Indian names famous around the world. So Indians are famous around the world. So why should I have that inferiority complex? And my goal was not to please a foreigner. My goal was not to please, my new age customer. My goal was to make sure I carry the story of our tradition, of our culture. And what we do at Saptam carries that story forward to every person who associates with us as a customer. So I wanted that connection with our roots,
Wow.
with what I wanted to start.
So you have mentioned already that it's a clean food product company.
Yeah.
What exactly are the products?
See, there are very few companies which are operating around the world on the clean label or the clean food company. When I say clean label, look at what the customer mindset is. So it's a consumer-driven manufacturing process today. When I say consumer-driven manufacture process, I'll ask you a simple question. You're going to a grocery shop or a supermarket. You pick up a can or a pack of something. It can be anything. What do you do first? You see the label. What do you see in the label first?
Calories, protein,
Okay. So that
sugar,
you're already seeing
sugar,
the
carbohydrate.
label. You're seeing the content, ingredient, whether इसमें sugar है क्या, fat है क्या, saturated, unsaturated fats. What next will you see?
I think nothing. I to see nothing.
Think of a homemaker, okay? A lady homemaker who's the finance minister of the house.
Price.
There you go. You got it. What is the second thing she will look into?
हाँ. कितना मिलेगा मुझे? How much ml?
She will look into what is the expiry date,
Correct.
right? Two things. Most homemakers, okay, I'm not being a male chauvinist here saying that only women are homemakers. So I don't want your viewers to come after both of us saying that we are male chauvinists. So majority of Indian homemakers are, women who manage the home finances as well. Because हर महीने इनका एक बजट होता है, तो शी हैज टू ऑपरेट विद इन दैट बजट. शी इज वेरी प्राइस कॉन्शियस.
करेक्ट.
Second is, she also wants value for her money that she's paying. Shelf life. So these two things predominantly drive the manufacturer thought process. Manufacturer will always make sure the product is priced for her needs and product shelf life is also enhanced. See, when I say clean food का एक expiry date होता है. So when I say clean food, no preservatives, no additives, that means it will die. So manufacturer has to ensure that the product that he is manufacturing should not die. Should be basically sealed in a coffin forever, so that until it reaches her and until it reaches her shelves, and even she can keep that in her shelves for 6 months or a year or two, nothing will happen because we are buying a dead product which has been killed already.
Correct.
And has been added with preservatives and additives so that the shelf life is extended.
Correct.
When I say clean food company, I'll give you an example. I want to buy, for example, oil. Say groundnut oil. If I go pick up a pack of or a bottle of groundnut oil, I look at ingredients. It says added minerals, added vitamins, refined.
Correct.
अरे भाई मुझे मूंगफली तेल चाहिए बस. मुझे 100% मूंगफली तेल चाहिए. Ingredient should say only one line. 100% groundnut oil. तो बाकी सब स्टोरी मुझे क्यों सुना रहा हो तो
Correct.
I don't need those additives. Give me 100% natural product that I'm asking for. You buy anything today that comes with bonus.
Correct.
Bonus is where your health is affected.
Correct. Correct.
So we wanted to consciously, personally, I wanted to bring in a clean food company in India, which would say, कस्टमर मुझे पैसे दे रहा है मूंगफली तेल बेचने के लिए, मैं सिर्फ 100% मूंगफली तेल देना चाहता. बस स्टोरी खत्म. Why should I refine? Why should I add preservatives? Nothing.
बट वो FSCCI का कुछ तो होता होगा ना कि इनमें आपको जब इफ दे आर टेस्टिंग इट तो उसमें कुछ कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट निकलते होंगे अगर मूंगफली का तेल भी बना रहे हैं अपन, सो देयर विल बी समथिंग इट विल कम, और इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट.
No. आप मूंगफली खाते
हाँ.
तो मूंगफली में तेल होता.
हाँ.
तो मूंगफली खाते हैं तो मूंगफली तेल खाने के लिए क्या क्या फर्क क्या पड़ता है?
नथिंग. डू यू हैव योर प्रोडक्ट
Yeah,
with you right now?
yeah. Customer wants to buy coconut oil.
Correct.
Customer wants to buy curdy oil, सरसों का तेल. I want to give only
सरसों का तेल.
सरसों का तेल. बाकी चीज I don't want to. I as a customer was finding it very difficult when I started this journey thinking of how do we bring back, what was lost.
Correct.
So why refining? मूंगफली जो खाते हैं आप रिफाइन करके खाते हैं क्या मूंगफली को? नहीं. तो जब मूंगफली खाते हैं, जब नारियल खाते हैं आप, उसको रिफाइन करके नहीं खाते. So this is where I want to come in, saying that we want to bring in the shift in the thought process of Indian kitchens, saying that we have lost our roots, our tradition. Khachi Gani jo hai, we were getting 100% natural oils.
Correct.
Where did we go in the last 20-30 years?
So my next question is that only कि why we are discovering cold press oils after centuries of ignoring them? Why?
Okay, so it's a very big debate that we can have around.
But we need a clear answer.
Yeah. So see, one was, as I said, it was a pricing.
Correct.
जब मूंगफली का price, if it is 130, for example, today we have procured groundnut seeds. As we speak, it's 125 rupees plus GST plus transport.
Correct.
135, 130, 140 में मेरा फैक्ट्री पे आ रहा है. 3 किलो मूंगफली चाहिए मुझे 1 लीटर तेल निकालने के लिए. तो my raw material input cost is around 450 rupees. ₹450 चाहिए मुझे एक लीटर
लीटर
तेल
तेल
का।
निकालने के लिए, करेक्ट।
तो if I'm using top quality Sortex clean seeds, when I say clean food company, clean label company, this is what I mean. My input ingredient is 100% clean, superior quality, moisture is controlled and dried, in a way that it is suitable for our health, and the oil that comes out is the purest oil, clean oil. So from our procurement to processing to production to packing, the entire journey is a clean food journey.
करेक्ट।
तो to travel that path, मुझे ₹450 रॉ मटेरियल का कॉस्ट पड़ रहा 1 लीटर तेल के लिए, एंड देन मोर ओवर आई हैव टू स्पेंड अबाउट 20-30 रुपए प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट। 500 के आसपास 1 लीटर तेल के लिए खर्चा हो रहा है। तो मैं 100 रुपए और 250 में या 150 में कैसे भेजूं मैं?
बट स्टिल इफ यू फाइंड ऑन द अमेज़न और अदर
Yeah.
कॉम्पिटिटर
So,
मार्केट देयर
for
विल
your
बी
question,
हाँ,
लोग सोच रहे थे कि अरे मूंगफली तेल का दाम बढ़ रहा है। There you got this refined oil company.
बस करेक्ट।
They said, okay, your cold pressed oil, आपका कच्ची घानी का तेल का प्राइस जो है बढ़ रहा है। Customer started looking for alternatives.
करेक्ट।
So in the 80s came palm oil. In the 80s came refined oils, sunflower oil. So we started importing oil from Ukraine, Russia, Southeast Asia, Malaysia, all these countries which were growing sunflower, palm oil, palm seeds. So we started importing palm oil and sunflower oil, crude oils, and started refining in India and ensuring that the price remained constant so that the customer could not feel or did not feel the heat of the price increase. 20-25 साल से रिफाइंड ऑयल तेल का प्राइस 100 के आसपास ही चल रहा है।
करेक्ट, सेम चल रहा है।
Just imagine, petrol price has gone up 2.5-3 times in 25 years. हर चीज का प्राइस जो है 2, 3, 4, 5 टाइम्स बढ़ गया है। तेल का जो कुकिंग ऑयल का प्राइस जो है इट इज ऑलवेज अ कांस्टेंट। व्हाई? The reason is because it's a consumer driven manufacturing process. The manufacturer will always find a way that we consume more oil than we consume petrol or diesel.
करेक्ट।
Right? So on an average, for example, India consumes about on an average every month 150 crore liters a month.
मंथ।
Yeah, because that's a population. And we are not just consuming oils at our home, we are consuming fats outside in our restaurants, trans fats, अब बर्गर जो खाते हैं, पिज्ज़ाज जो खाते हैं, हर चीज़ में जो तेल होता है, all put together, on an average, every Indian is consuming about 800 to 900 grams of oil
करेक्ट।
in different formats, oils and fats. So that means we are consuming literally 150 crores liters or kilos of oils and fats a month. So in different formats, butter, ghee, oil, all put together. So look at the market, and that market is very sensitive to pricing.
करेक्ट।
आप अभी 100 रुपए में रिफाइंड ऑयल ले रहे हैं, हाउ विल आई मार्केट मूंगफली तेल ओल्ड प्रेस कच्ची घानी का 400 रुपए में? So when I started this journey 7 years ago, this was a challenge I had where we had to educate customers that मुझे मूंगफली का जो प्राइस है, रॉ मटेरियल का इनपुट प्राइस है, मुझे 400 रुपए आसपास का है, तो मैं आपको 100 रुपए में तेल बेचने नहीं सकता हूँ, तो I can't sell it. So this was the challenge that we had when we started our journey. But again, going back to this question of yours, why cold pressed oils after so many years and decades? So this was there for centuries, but the tectonic shift happened in the 80s. where consumers started feeling the heat of rising prices of cold pressed oils, and the cold pressed oil started declining. The refined oil started picking up, including palm oils and refined sunflower oils, everything. And they have always made sure they keep growing because they've always made sure the price sensitive market gets the oil, the price that they are looking for.
Correct.
But the cold pressed oil journey started declining.
अच्छा, अभी अगर इफ 60 सेकंड में आपको अगर कोई किचन को फिक्स करना हो तो क्या फिक्स करोगे किचन के अंदर?
Okay, that's a very interesting question. More than fixing, there are two things, not just one. First is, of course, I will say oil. I would ask everyone to change, remove their refined oils, replace their refined oils with cold pressed oils. Kachi gani ka tel jo hai, they have to use. The second important and the most important thing that I want every kitchen to throw away is refrigerator.
रेफ्रिजरेटर?
Yeah.
व्हाई?
Because see, most Indians, this was not again an Indian way of cooking or Indian way of storing grains. आप अनाज को या pulses, whatever it is, vegetables, everything we have started storing in the refrigerator. Again, what is the concern? Shelf life. Because the customer wants more out of the product they are buying.
करेक्ट.
We are putting dals, pulses, gehu ka atta, everything we have started storing in the refrigerator. It is not good. You should not store flours and grains and pulses. Vegetables okay, dairy okay, but the refrigerator has become a disease box today. So I would probably request all the audience that are looking into this conversation today to throw away the refrigerator, and second, throw away the refined oils and start using cold pressed oils.
Correct. So why did you choose oil as a commodity to build a brand around?
Okay, one of the most adulterated when I started thinking of the clean food label company, I saw oil was the most adulterated product or food product in the entire industry.
Correct.
The most adulterated. When I say adulterated, it is not just mixing with the additives and preservatives as I was referring earlier. That is also an adulteration. Adulteration ये नहीं होता है कि आप किसी और चीज़ को मिक्स करो, नहीं. आप रॉ मटेरियल लो क्वालिटी यूज़ किया तो वो भी अडल्ट्रेशन. आप अनहाइजीनिक कंडीशंस में आप फूड मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे हैं तो वो भी अडल्ट्रेशन. आप अगर मिक्सिंग कर रहे हैं किसी एडिटिव्स को, प्रिजर्वेटिव्स को, वो भी अडल्ट्रेशन है. आप पेट्रो प्रोडक्ट्स जो यूज़ करते हैं, हेक्सेन सॉल्वेंट्स में एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं रिफाइंड ऑयल को, वो भी अडल्ट्रेशन है. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज दैट यू कैन अडल्ट्रेट अ फूड. मैं जो बोल रहा था, मुझे मूंगफली तेल चाहिए, मूंगफली तेल दीजिए.
करेक्ट.
मूंगफली तेल को आप हेक्सेन सॉल्वेंट्स में डाल के रिफाइंड करके, वो रिफाइंड प्रोसेस में आप हेक्सेन को एवापरेट करके आप मुझे मूंगफली तेल बेच रहे. मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे रिफाइंड ऑयल नहीं चाहिए. तो रिफाइंड किया तो वो भी अडल्ट्रेशन है मुझे.
करेक्ट.
तो चीज का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो बदल रहा है. तो आप लो क्वालिटी रॉ मटेरियल यूज कर रहे हैं तो वो भी मुझे अडल्ट्रेशन. तो यू हैव टू स्टॉप दिस अडल्ट्रेशन.
करेक्ट.
एंड ऑयल वाज द मोस्ट अडल्ट्रेटेड इन द पिरामिड, एंड द नेक्स्ट वाज द आटा जो है एंड द स्पाइस पाउडर्स.
करेक्ट.
So we started attacking one by one. We said, okay, first thing, not just starting the cold pressed oils. हम सिर्फ कोल्ड प्रेस्ड ऑयल कंपनी का स्टार्ट नहीं किया. मैं सोचा कि हर जगह में ये जो कच्ची घानी है, the cold pressed oil machines were getting closed. Literally, there were hardly few in India when we started thinking of revolutionizing or bringing in the revolution of getting our tradition back. हमारा जो culture है, जो tradition है, I wanted to bring this back. I just didn't want to start a company of manufacturing cold pressed oils. I wanted to bring in a revolution so that people understand and we can market and educate the consumers about what these cold pressed oils were. Correct. What we were doing 30 years ago. So Saptam was not just a business. Saptam was not just an oil manufacturing company. Saptam was a revolution that brought in cold pressed oil machines in a box concept.
Correct.
So we were the first to put that machine in a box, bring that to metros, prime locations, start a pharma grade manufacturing process, very transparent. Customers can see and come inside the factory, see the process of extraction, see the quality of seeds that we are using, how it is packed, how oils are made. So we started this touring of consumers. You ask any refined oil company, let me see if anybody is invited or if Abhishek is invited to take a tour into any refined oil company, आप आपके crew के साथ जाके आप video कीजिए. Nobody will. Cut. You want to come to my factory? Most welcome. There are hundreds of videos of Saptam you can see online, how it's manufactured, हमारा seeds का quality जो क्या है, हमारा process क्या है, bottling कैसे होता है. We are the first company in the world, cold pressed oil company in the world to be certified FSSC 22000, Food Safety System Certification. It's a big achievement for a cold pressed oil company. कच्ची घानी जो है people लोग सोचते हैं अरे ये हमारा हुलू गान whatever this thing is, the cold pressed process is, the machine है बेकार है, it's all old word. No, that is what saved you until 80s.
Correct.
30 साल में क्या बदला है? Not just refined oils आया है किचन में, 30 साल में कैंसर का रेट बढ़ रहा है, ओबेसिटी का रेट बढ़ रहा है, डायबिटीज का रेट बढ़ रहा है.
Correct.
So these things came in along with refined oils. Whether it is directly related to refined oil or not is a question that the consumers need to ask.
Correct.
It's a question that governments need to ask. It's a question that doctors need to ask. But I am a proponent of telling that our food and our food habits and what we consume has changed in last 40 years, which has brought in these diseases to an alarming level. We are the diabetic capital of the world. We are going to be the obesity capital of the world. We are very soon going to become the cancer capital of the world. We are, losing our young generations for kidney diseases, liver diseases. Where did it come from, which was not there in last 40 years? Because we started aping, we started bringing in all the Western foods into our kitchen, forgetting our Indian traditional food, Indian way of eating, Indian way of cooking, Indian way of consuming. So this shift in the food habits, this shift in the eating habits, this shift in the consumer buying the Indian traditional foods impacted us and our health has gone for a toss.
करेक्ट. बट मनोहर सर, आज प्योरिटी की बात तो कम लोग करते हैं, जहाँ पे मार्केट पूरा ऑब्सेस्ड है अबाउट प्राइसिंग. तो वहाँ पे प्योरिटी की बात कैसे की जाए? बिकॉज आपको मास ऑडियंस को कैटर करना है. सो हाउ डू यू आर डूइंग इट?
See, my problem is not with the masses who don't understand purity. My problem is people who understand purity but still not buying cold pressed oils. मेरा प्रॉब्लम इन लोगों से नहीं है जो प्योरिटी को नहीं समझते हैं. मेरा प्रॉब्लम अभिषेक से है. मेरा प्रॉब्लम अभिषेक, people like Abhishek who understand purity, who understand cold pressed oils, but still don't want to make that change.
करेक्ट.
Why? You can afford, you understand, you know the health impact. आप सब चीज को समझते हैं, फिर भी आप चेंज नहीं करते हैं. मेरा प्रॉब्लम उन लोगों से है.
अभिषेक.
द रीजन इज बिकॉज वो लोग मेजॉरिटी लोग हैं, जो नहीं समझते वो बहुत कम लोग हैं. You go and ask today, in last 7 years, the way cold pressed oil has come back in India, and we are so proud of the fact that we were the pioneers, we were the flag bearers to bring back cold pressed oil to the forefront as a reckoning force, back in India. 7 साल पहले you had to go to Amazon or Flipkart, anywhere, just to cold pressed oils, there was none.
Correct.
You do the marketing, you support a lot of brands, you work with a lot of brands, you understand. So 7 years ago, it was not there. In last 7 years, what has changed? Saptam has influenced and inspired 8,000 cold pressed oil mills across India.
8,000 meals.
8,000 मिल्स आ चुके हैं 7 साल में. So we are proud of that fact. So my dream has come true where we didn't want Saptam just to be an cold pressed oil manufacturing company, but we wanted to be a flag bearer to revolutionize and educate the masses about cold pressed oil.
Correct.
And not just that, but revive the entire healing industry to bring this back and start spreading the message. We have made a small dent. We have made progress. I'm hopeful. But, probably 0.1% of India's population buy cold pressed oil. That is my pain. Why more than 15-20% of India's population understand the benefits, can afford old pressed oils, can make that shift, but still don't want to do that. मुझे प्रॉब्लम उन लोगों से है वो शिफ्ट नहीं करना चाहते, वो थॉट प्रोसेस को चेंज नहीं करता. इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ गोइंग टू योर ऑनलाइन स्टोर, placing an order. If you're so busy, you are anyway buying your oils, you're buying food, groceries. Why don't you just spend extra 5 minutes to understand who are the clean label companies in India today? Who are the clean label food companies operating within your vicinity? Are they manufacturers? What are their ingredients talking about? What is the message they're conveying? Who are the entrepreneurs behind those journeys?
Correct.
I'm not here to just talk about Saptam, right? I'm talking about a lot of entrepreneurs like me today who have put in their sweat, blood, and money and their effort. They've sacrifices their family time, bringing and building companies like this, which are, giving the best of the groceries today and caring for your health. If we had to do business, if we had to make money, there were a lot of other avenues.
Correct.
We chose this path because we felt we have to put health at the top of everything that we have today. And we have to prioritize health because this generation, my generation, and the next generation, and the generations to come should not lose their health. When this is our time, the time has come, the time is now. If we don't act now, it's now or never.
सो आज भी क्या सबसे बड़ी बिगेस्ट मिथ है कुकिंग ऑयल को लेके इंडियन मार्केट में कि क्यों शिफ्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं?
See, that is what I'm perplexed with. मुझे वो I'm not able to crack this code. See, look at people's salaries. From, the auto drivers to taxi drivers to software engineers, everybody's, salaries are in the range of 30, 40, 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakhs. And how much do you need? महीने में आपको 1,000 का कोल्ड प्रेस्ड ऑयल कच्ची घनी का तेल चाहिए बस. 1,000 आप you can't keep aside 1,000 rupees for your cold pressed oil. तेल जो है वो बहुत अडल्ट्रेटेड है मार्केट में. आप 4 लोगों को फैमिली है तो इफ यू आर 4 members, you're going to need only about 3-4 liters of oil maximum. 3 लीटर चाहिए आपको महीने में. 3 लीटर आपको 1,200 रुपये पड़ता है. तो 1,200 रुपये आप महीने में आप अलग नहीं रख सकते मूंगफली तेल के लिए. अरे जो दाल जो है, राइस जो है, आप आंख में देख सकते हैं क्वालिटी अच्छा है या नहीं है. तेल ऐसी चीज है कि आप देख नहीं सकते कि आप अच्छा है कि नहीं. तो ऑयल इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट एंटिटी. नेक्स्ट कम्स आटा का. ऑयल के बाद आटा का और स्पाइस पाउडर्स का. ये 3 चीज जो है, you have to be very sure that you're buying from a renowned company or a source which literally swears by clean food or a clean label,
Right.
Tagline. So oil, atta, or your spice powders.
Correct.
Because you just see, you can't make out if it's adulterated or not.
करेक्ट. तो इसीलिए हमने फाउंडर्स ड्रीम की शुरुआत करी है सर कि सारे फाउंडर्स को बाहर लेके आए. प्रोडक्ट तो बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं, चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी होती, पर मार्केटिंग या फिर लोगों तक पहुंचने का जरिया ऐसा नहीं होता कि जिसकी वजह से लोगों को पता चले इस प्रोडक्ट के पीछे ये सोच है.
Thank you very much. You and your team are doing wonderful stuff. I've watched your videos where you bring in founders. Everything is happening, हम मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, पॉडकास्ट में बात कर रहे हैं, influencers like you are bringing people like us to tell the stories. We are doing everything right. फिर फिर भी आप वो चेंज नहीं हो रहा.
सर किसी भी बात को ना बार बार बोलना पड़ता है, सालों तक बोलना पड़ता है,
And
क्योंकि है ना इतनी सारी विचारधाराएं हैं मार्केट में कि आपको सबसे टॉप अप द रहने के लिए मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा मनोहर सर को अभिषेक व्यास, अभिषेक व्यास, अभिषेक व्यास, अभिषेक व्यास. मैं वो कम से कम 100 बार आपके दिमाग में नहीं बिठा दूंगा तब तक आपको अभिषेक व्यास याद नहीं रहेगा जिंदगी भर.
And that is the reason why I'm here today. And I'm constantly on such podcasts, constantly talking because people should hear stories
Correct.
of entrepreneurs, of companies which are, literally building clean label, products. So that is the reason why we are, as I said, entrepreneurship, it's not a one-day journey. Correct. It's a journey we have chosen. We are going to be entrepreneurs forever. We are very focused in telling the story, telling the truth behind what's happening and what we are doing. So we are not, we are very optimistic. We will continue this journey. Results are coming in, but not the way I expected it to be. It took 7 years for us to, come up with 6 factories. It took 7 years for 8,000, factories to come up all over India. So I'm happy. We have made progress, but we want to have that, shift. अभी तक ग्राफ ऐसे चल रहा था, so I want that graph to go up like this.
जे करो.
So
अच्छा सर, फॉर दिस पॉडकास्ट आई थिंक देयर आर सम फ्यू मोर क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. सबसे अनयूजुअल ऑयल एक्सपेरिमेंट आपने क्या किया है अभी तक?
yeah, I mean, more than unusual, I would say more than unusual, it is about what we tried in terms of, bringing in naval oils. हमारा जो naval oils का range जो निकल रहा है, so it is basically called as the Nabi oils.
नाबी.
Nabi.
अच्छा.
नाबी जो आपका नाबी जो होता है naval. Naval में, so apart from the food that we consume, the food, the oils that we apply on the skin, massage oil जो है, massage का हमारा oil है. But now we are bringing in the Nabi oils. And these Nabi oils are based on our Ayurveda ancient text. What each oil brings in, to your health, basically how it impacts your health. So it is not unusual.
Correct.
It's our new product range that is coming in.
ओके.
आप हर रात तुम सोते हैं, आप 1 और 2 ड्रॉप तेल को नाभि में लगाना है. आपको अगर माइंड क्लैरिटी होना है तो आप वो ऑयल लगा सकते हैं. अगर योर डाइजेशन सिस्टम ठीक नहीं है तो आप कैस्टर ऑयल का लगा सकते हैं. दीज आर फाइनेस्ट ऑफ ऑयल्स दैट हैज़ lasting impact, be it your skin health, be it your digestion, be it your clarity, be it, in mind, be it your heart health. So we are bringing in these oils based on the Ayurveda or the, the prescriptions that was, given in Ayurveda. So that's our more than unusual. It's our, way to again emphasize to our consumers that we are so conscious about, bringing in and talking about your health. So on our consumers' health matter for our, for our company.
अगर आपके ब्रांड को अगर एक सेंटेंस में डिस्क्राइब करना हो तो कैसे डिस्क्राइब करोगे सर?
Okay, Saptam, as I said, for us, nothing matters but purity. So Saptam has always stood for purity. So that is something which we always carry forward, saying that, purity first. That's our tagline, and we live by that code every day in, day out, starting from our employees to us, management, leadership, everybody. For us, nothing impure enters our factory, nothing impure goes out of our factory. So we are so conscious that we are and we will be the flag bearers when it comes to clean label, and we are the pioneers. We will be the flag bearers. We continue to give good food to consumers, good groceries, everything that we manufacture, 100%, it is a clean label. It is pure as it can, as much as it can get.
और अगर आपको ऐसा मौका मिले कि इंडिया के सारे हाईवे पे आपके बिलबोर्ड्स हो तो क्या मार्केटिंग करोगे सर?
See, again, this is, I would still ask the question, why you haven't shifted to cold-pressed oil yet?
Correct.
So because we have to tease the consumers. It is not about buying Saptam. My only question, to the likes of Abhishek, as I said, is why the educated masses, education is not about the degrees that they have or the work that they're doing. Education is about awareness.
Awareness.
You are aware of that. Every billboard that I'm going to put across all the highways is, why haven't you shifted to cold pressed oils yet? When you are aware, the impact that it brings in. So,
तो मनोहर सर, इस पॉडकास्ट को मैं बहुत शानदार लाइनों से ऐड करता हूँ, मतलब एंड करता हूँ। इंसानों पे तो लोगों को भरोसा रहा नहीं है। अगर आज एआई पे ज़्यादा भरोसा हो गया है कि कुछ सर्च करेंगे तो एआई बताएगा, तो मैं ऑडियंस से ही रिकमेंडेड करता हूँ कि आप लोग खुद जाके एआई से पूछना कि ये मेरा घर पे रिफाइंड ऑयल है और ये मेरा कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल है, बिकॉज आई हैव टेस्टेड इट। मैं अगर रिफाइंड ऑयल को ज़्यादा दिन तक खाता हूँ तो कितना जल्दी मर जाऊंगा, और कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल को खाऊंगा तो कितना ज़्यादा जीऊंगा। तो आपको एआई एक बहुत सॉलिड आंसर देगा, ये सारी ऑडियंस के लिए।
you've done that? Okay, that's very good.
सो मैं एक ऑडियंस के लिए आज छोड़ देता हूँ मैटर कि ये
ChatGPT.
चैट जीपीटी पे आप जाके पूछो
Very
कि ये मेरा रिफाइंड ऑयल है, ये मेरा कोल्ड प्रेस ऑयल है, मैं किसको खाने से जल्दी मर जाऊंगा और किसको खाने से ज़्यादा जीऊंगा।
So I usually tell my team, even in our marketing and our editorials, or we don't talk about negatives. We don't talk about, in our packaging, we don't say no preservatives, no additives, no artificial flavors, no colors. Why should I say all these things? No additives. मैं negative का negative नहीं बोलता हूँ. I don't want those negatives to consume space on my labels. So I don't even talk about refined oils. I don't even say my oil is better than that. Why should I say that?
सही बात है।
When I know I am the best, when I know my cold pressed oils are the best, I don't even want to do a comparison, because there is no comparison to cold pressed oils.
करेक्ट।
You are trying to compare with nobody. Why should you do that?
बट फिर भी एक इन कंज्यूमर माइंडसेट के हिसाब से लोग कंपेयर कर ले और चेक कर ले
Oh,
चैट जीपीटी
definitely. That's a fantastic thing. And if you have done that, honestly, I haven't asked that question. Maybe even after this podcast, I'll go and check on saying that, okay,
हाँ,
what should I eat? Cold pressed oil?
आप चेक करना सर, यू विल बी शॉक्ड व्हाट आंसर दे विल गिव।
But I built the company, so I don't have to check. I have the proof. The proof is
हाँ नहीं, मतलब मैंने बोला ना कि इंसानों से ज़्यादा भरोसा एक एआई मशीन पर है, तो आप उससे पूछो।
right.
तो मनोहर सर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग इन द पॉडकास्ट, एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। ऐसे ही आप करते रहें और शानदार ऑयल पिलाते रहें लोगों को।
Well, thank you very much for having us here, and it was wonderful, talking about our journey or our efforts. So I would request your audiences to switch to cold pressed oils, whether it's Saptam or anybody. So I'm here to tell that they have to shift to cold pressed oil. कच्ची घानी का तो जो तेल है सबसे बेस्ट है. They have to use it.
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thank you very much. Appreciate.